Hey everyone! Today we're opening Acer Predator Helios Neo 16AI, model PHN16-73. For benchmarks, display tests, thermals, and lots more lab data, check the detailed review on laptopmedia.com, link below. Let's dive in. First, we have to remove 10 screws from the bottom panel. To do that, we'll use a Torx T6 screwdriver. All screws share the same length. We lay them on a white pad where the camera can see them. The second screw will wait until we remagnetize the driver. We magnetize the screwdriver off-screen. Done. Using a thin plastic pry tool, we start popping the cover clips. Take extra care here. The rear hides a heatsink and we don't want to crack the lid. Almost done. When flipping the half-opened laptop, watch out for the battery. It's no longer held down by the cover. Here's the Helios Neo with its bottom plate removed. Inside we spot dual 5th gen Aeroblade 3D fans, 4 thick heat pipes, and liquid metal compound over the CPU for better heat transfer. Pretty serious cooling for a 16-inch machine. Before we get back to the teardown, enjoy this 360-degree spin of the laptop and let us know what you think in the comments. And if you're liking the video, feel free to use this break to hit the subscribe button. We disconnect the battery cable with a non-metal tool. The pack is a 90 watt-hour 4-cell unit. Acer rates it for up to 8 hours on the WQXGA screen. Real-world numbers are in our battery tests on laptopmedia.com, straight from our laboratory. Link below the video. Because the battery isn't screwed in, we simply lift it out. Okay, here it is. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Now we'll remove the SSD from its slot. A standard Phillips driver would either wobble or fail to bite and could strip the head. We're using a JIS driver. Number 0 is too skinny. Number 1 fits perfectly. We remove the first SSD. The black metallized foil acts as an EMI shield. You'll find information about the storage speeds and the SSD reliability in the full review on laptopmedia.com. Unscrewing the second SSD, pay attention. You can peel back only the bit over the connector to avoid tearing the mesh beneath. We'll lift it completely so you can see better. One screw and the second drive comes free. Meanwhile, you can see the wireless card, which is an Intel Wi-Fi 6E1675i module in the usual 2230 format. Easy to replace if you ever need an upgrade. The board offers two SO-DIMM slots for DDR5, supporting up to 64 GB at 6400 megatransfers per second. We'll carefully peel the shielding tape off the memory modules. This corner looks tempting, but the adhesive is strong and the mesh could tear. Not a good idea to pray here either. Same story on this side. Our configuration has dual-channel 16 gig kits. Of course, the 64 GB max RAM is just the official number. The Core Ultra processors in Predator Helios Neo 16 support up to 256 GB of RAM, so you won't have any issues upgrading further. The adhesive is weaker here, so the shield lifts nicely. We assist the peel with gentle pressure from the plastic tool. Slow and steady keeps things safe. Here you can see where it started to fray. The metal fibers are visible.